that is easy to troubleshoot for future developments. In addition, database will be utilized in combination with the system because the Dyalektor will be developed with the capability of translating between many different dialects in the Philippines. It has been established that the utilization of machine learning and artificial intelligence is an essential component in the process of putting the system into operation.
So after all of those informations, the question is, to whom are we going to suggest this application for their benefit? Since the application is designed for use in the Philippines, the population of the Philippines as a whole and Filipino wanderers in particular are our primary focus as clients. In addition po, we are going to discuss the possibility of working together with the Department of Tourism in order to publicize our application Dyalektor. For the customer segment, we belong to the geographic segmentation in which the geographic location of potential customers was a factor in our decision-making process. Owing to the fact that the application will support a variety of Filipino dialects spoken in various parts of the Philippines. It was useful since knowing the location of our customers allows us to better understand their requirements and give us the opportunity to distribute advertisements that are particular to their location. So type of mobile applications by technology. Our application Dialektor was included in the category of native applications in which it is designed specifically for the operating system of mobile device. Native apps are installed through an application store such as Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Given that our very own application, Dialektor, is a member of this particular class or applications, it is possible to install it using any one of the application stores that I've mentioned. Applications that fall under this category have the ability to make use of features such as the camera, microphone, GPS, accelerometer, compass, list of contacts, and so on. But due to the fact that our application can also perform speech translations, as mentioned earlier po, the lector will make use of the microphone that is installed on the mobile device that is being utilized. And lastly, a native app installs directly on a mobile device, which wherein data associated with the native app is stored on the device or remotely, such as in cloud-based storage.
Our app, the Dyalektor, will fall under the category Productivity Mobile Apps. These types of apps assist the user in completing a task quickly and efficiently, hence making monotonous activities easier. Applications of this category will become essential when it will be developed effectively. This involves assisting the user in completing a task in a manner that is simple and faster. This contains software program that allows smartphones and other smartphone users to perform essential day-to-day tasks. Gradually, local translators will become common in the Philippines, allowing clearer communication between individuals, reducing the likelihood of misunderstanding. Now, what makes our application unique? The Dyalektor provides a nationalistic user interface in which it will provide translations of various different Philippine dialects. This feature is one of the things that sets our application distinct from its competitors and one of the reasons why it is superior to those applications. Now that we have discussed the unique features, type, and category of our app, We need to know or provide a vision on why would our initial customer segment pay for our service that we offer. Customers will benefit from our system's service by having a resort to use our mobile application entitled Dyalektor for more precise communication and minimizing miscommunication across different cultures in the Philippines. On our side, or on the developer side, we'll earn money from in-app advertisements and by having premium subscriptions that will allow users to use the mobile app without ads and with an unlimited number of translations. It is also possible to build a partnership with the Department of Tourism in such a way that our mobile application can be promoted in the market.
So in terms on technology readiness level, we assume that our system is currently at the pre-commercial stage, which means that we are prepared to offer it to initial target user. So like I said, we assume na nasa technology readiness levels na po kami kasi all na kailangan is feasible. Major one is yung programming that we can use that use for coding and designing our application. The next one is an expert or expert in different dialects, like for example Waray, Hiligaynon, or Kapampangan, and others that can translate words and phrases into that can translate Tagalog words and different dialects.
And now let us have a glimpse of our user interface, and it was presented as follows. The first frame includes the page in which a user may sign in if meron na po silang account and create their own account if they do not have pa po. Also, in an effort to make the application more nationalistic, we choose to base its color scheme on that of our national flag since this app po will only accommodate Filipino dialects. And then the next frame po represents naman the menu of the application where it has sections for account, history, settings, sign out, and a unique section named It's More Fun in the Philippines, wherein it will display naman po the different tourist spots in the Philippines viewed similar to the Instagram application. Bale po, this section will only include pictures and promotion of those places. The third frame naman po displays the interface where the user can create the sentence or phrases that they want to translate. We can also notice po na may microphone icon. That is because the system also accommodates voice translations. And the last frame po displays naman the drop down of different dialects that the user may choose kung anong dialect ang ita-translate into another particular dialect. And that brings us to the end of the final question now is how will the investor benefit from our application? Actually, our primary target investor is the Department of Tourism. Since our application po involves application of different dialects from all over the Philippines, a Filipino may encounter. They can engage our app as a platform for their advertisements in exchange for promoting the app, the application Dialektor. Also, they will have their own section to exhibit the featured places in the Philippines and in-app advertisements that can also be used to present infomercials. Also, they can benefit depending on how much money